wipe on your cheekbones, your forehead. Pink stuff. Anything else that so it's a beautiful day. Fall is here. Okay, so it's been, and let's see what happens afterwards. Hello. Just wanted to make a quick video about some pink stuff. I have seen lots of videos and TikToks about this, and it's supposed to be so fantastic. And my local grocery store finally had it, so I decided to try to clean my tub with it. So my tub is really weird. Like, I know it's just like fiberglass, but it gets super dirty and holds on to all the dirt. And I feel like I'm cleaning it all the time. I'm going to see if I can flip the camera and show you what it looks like. But just don't think too terribly of me, because I have recently washed it. So let's see if I can. Okay, so this is how dirty the tub is. And I think it's really just the slope of the tub, and it's also, I just feel like I can't like get it clean. It's just so weird. So I thought that I'd give this stuff a try, and I just want to show you what the back says. So it says, so it's a mild abrasive paste cleaner. Should be used with care. So use a soft cloth. I already have a couple of my cleaning towels in here. And gently rub before rinsing off with hot water. Okay. So this should work in this tub. I know it's disgusting. And honestly, and I have, like I said, our water's a little bit hard, so that is some of the issue. But like, everything just gets stuck in this grout. It's just weird. And when I go to like scrub, I just can't, like, and I can't use anything bleach in here because of the type of material that it is. So my go-to is always wanting to bleach, but I can't. So, and I had to take the plug out because maybe my house is very old, so for whatever reason it doesn't drain the way that it should. So I have this little thing when I wash my hair. It's got to get cleaned out because I washed my hair earlier, but that I put in. My husband doesn't really have a lot of hair, but so I use that to catch all my long hair. So it's definitely pink. Interesting. Okay. Wonder if I can do this with a little bit of a. Okay, so it's probably should have a pair of gloves on to do this, considering I just painted my nails this morning. All right, we'll just try a little area together. This is the area that I feel like is the hardest to clean. Oh, wow. Oh, so it looks like it turns kind of clear. Oh, just that one spot. It's definitely cleaner. All right, let me do the whole tub. I'll be back. Well, here is the end result. I am completely amazed. And then for just the shower wall and the little alcoves, I just used whatever was left on the wet rag and just wiped everything down very softly. The one thing that I noticed that once I started working the paste in, it did seem to help to have the towel a little bit wet. But wow. So go buy yourself a container. It's definitely worth it.